Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Google Assistant read notifications. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Google Assistant on Android can't read notifications aloud, but these specific steps might vary slightly based on your device model and the Android version, and here's a general guide on how to do this. Say, "Hey Google," or "OK Google," to activate Google Assistant. Alternatively, use the dedicated Assistant activation method on your device. Step 2. You can ask Google Assistant about your notifications. For example, "Read my notifications." "What are my notifications?" Any new notifications. Step 3. Google Assistant asks for permissions to read them, and then if you grant them access, they will read out your notifications and provide information about them if you have new notifications. Additional tips: Google Assistant understands various commands related to notifications. Experiment with phrases like "Tell me about my notifications" or "Read my messages." Make sure that the voice match is set up and recognizes your voice. This can be configured in the Google Assistant settings. If your device is locked, Google Assistant might not read sensitive notifications for privacy and security reasons. Unlock your device if necessary. Now, using Google Assistant settings. Step 1. Open Google Assistant settings on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right. Go to Google Assistant. Step 3. Look for a notifications or section in the settings. Depending on your device and Android version, this might vary. Step 4. Ensure that Google Assistant has the necessary permissions to access and read notifications. Now, using Android settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Navigate to Notifications, then Apps Notifications or a similar section. Step 3. Find and tap on the Google app and tap on it again. Step 4. Ensure that notifications are enabled for Google app. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.